and becoming when you defeat the fear of failure with an unshakable commitment to transform yourself. No fear here. I'm not getting this, I'm becoming it. If you only want to get it, you leave a provision for fear to stop you, to slow you down, to second guess your next move. Make mistakes. Try things that cost you money, you got to pull them back down, they didn't work. It's okay. It's really okay because it's the journey. Dealers, it's the virtual showroom. You're the Picasso. I know you built the beautiful dealership. I know it's your focal point, it's your identity, but now you've got a new canvas. Take your virtual colors out and paint it the way you want it. General managers, people that aspire to be that, I have 3 goals. Protect, be a great steward of the owner's investment. Protect the integrity of the brand, and create a business model so powerful that if I burn to the ground tomorrow, the community would miss me.